lots of... Ow! How's this for a freaking angle, huh? That's nice. The hood fell on me. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at IAA for another insurance auto auction walk around. Let's jump into this today. Number one on my list, a 2005 Volvo XC90 twin turbo. I know. Some of you upset with me because I mistakenly said Volvo. My bad, man. My bad. I'm just messing around with you. Anyway, here it is. It is twin turbo. At least that's what it said online. Like a 2.9 liter twin turbo. She's got good tires. She looks really nice. I wonder what the miles are on her. XC90 T6 all-wheel drive. This is kind of a beastly SUV, guys. And it's not going for much. And even better, it's listed as a run and drive. Yeah, it's supposed to run and drive. It's from Executive Cars. 146,000 miles. You guys tell me, is that good? Is that bad? I don't know. I'm not familiar with Volvos. Just not familiar with them. I am familiar with that smell, though. It smells like a Volvo. Good smelling cars. It's that leather, man. It's got some good smelling leather. Let's take a look. She's clean. She's real clean. Look at this. Wow. Okay. All right. I'll bite. Oh, she's got power too? No way. Service transmission urgent. Uh-oh. Well, there had to be something, didn't there? Okay. Let's pull the brake handle there. We got a red exclamation mark, transmission service urgent, and a check engine light. What do you guys think I'm thinking right now? Are you thinking that I'm thinking, oh man, I gotta have this? Or are you thinking that I'm thinking, nope. Nope. Not today. I'm not trying to get to some transmission problems, guys, but she go backwards? Yep. Forwards? Yeah. She does. All right. Well, I mean, give it credit for that. It sounds healthy. We'll see if the air conditioning works. Go ahead and crank it up, get it going, and we'll check under the hood real quick. See if we can see anything. Maybe it's got a transmission dipstick. Probably not. Oh, and what are we gonna have? Like a hidden release? Yeah? Oh, that's fun. That's fun. I have so much fun trying to figure out on all these different cars where they hide the hood release, you know what I mean? Yep. And inevitably, eventually, you do this long enough, you'll find pieces of chrome coming off that'll slice your hand open as you get under there. Huh. Well, hell. I'm gonna have to figure this out. And figure it out I did. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Look at all these damn pipes under here. Look at all of this. My goodness. Wow. Okay. That's not even bolted on, guys. It's just sitting there. Somebody's been into this thing. This is important. It's missing the plumbing that would go to your mass airflow sensor. Like, that's super important. But that's okay. That's fine. ATF. Well, I don't know about you, but that fluid doesn't look too bad to me. I mean, there's lots of... Ow! How's this for a freaking angle, huh? That's nice. The hood fell on me. Well, now that my neck is killing me, thank you very much, Volvo hood. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I want to take this as a sign that I don't need to mess with this car. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sure this is the first time since I've been out here messing around at any of these yards that I have had a hood fall on my neck because I was bent over. You know, I got my head down in the engine bay trying to pull out the transmission dipstick, and boom, this whole grill piece right here just caught me in my neck, which is great. That's wonderful. I have degenerative disc disease in C4 through C6. So, yeah, that'll help, you know. That'll help a lot, bulging discs. It's always great to throw a freaking hood on top of your spine. Yeah, so with that, no thank you. Nope. This can go to somebody else. I have no interest in this anymore. Next, side by side, look at this. 535M and a 2020 Ford Explorer. Ooh boy, we're gonna do the Explorer first. I don't know why this is here, guys. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Who is my assistant? Whoever my assistant is fired for sending me vehicles that look like this. No, I'm kidding. My assistant is me. I'm my own assistant. It's my own fault. Holy crap, that's some carnage. Wow. Wow. Can you imagine what this wreck must have been like from the inside? I mean, that had to be violent. That had to be violent. It did. I knew that was there, but I've never seen what a 2020 Explorer looks like, so I figured I would come out here and take a peek. I'm genuinely curious, and I figured I'd bring you guys with me. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. That's actually a lot nicer than I thought it would be. I mean, I knew it was going to be nice, obviously. Whoop. I just didn't know it was going to be that nice. Good Lord, look at all the airbags. Wow. Oh, I love those colors. That is nice. I'd love to get over there and try to fire it up. But guess who's not climbing over seats to do it? Yeah, me. It's not going to happen. I'm pretty sure this door is taped up. Yep, it sure is. Can we... Is there no way? I can't just... Hold on. There we go. There we go. We can do that. That's all right. Oh, just a couple airbags, guys. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Just a couple airbags blown. There's the keys. All right. Think she'll do anything? Let's push some buttons. Nope. Dead as a doornail. Okay. Well, that's all right, because I want to see what was under the hood anyway. I'm gonna assume it's a EcoBoost. She's rocking some Pirellis from the factory. Wow. Says it's a non-runner. Why would that be? She should run. Oh, there we go. Hood prop. Unless it's got an inertia switch. That would make sense. It's probably got an inertia switch. It was hit so hard from the back, it probably cut power to the car. I guess that makes perfect sense. Yep, it does. All right, well, dang. Somebody tried to jump start it because they removed the cover. There's the cover right there. So I'm gonna say there's no point in wasting time or wasting the booster pack trying to hook it up. It ain't gonna do nothing. What size engine is this? Somebody tell me. 3.5, I'm assuming. 3.0. It's a 3.0, okay. Alrighty then. Man, what a cluster under there, guys. That looks like a hot mess. Look at all these coolant hoses, heater hoses, everything's wrapped. You got turbos, you got boost hoses. I mean, look around at this mess. What happened to the days when cars were reasonably simple to work on? Boy, they're not like that anymore. They're not like that anymore. All right, well, I guess that's going to wrap it up for the Exploder. Now we can move on to the Beamer. So here we have a 2011 BMW 535. It says M. Maybe it is an M Sport. Possibly. Or maybe somebody threw the M wheels on it and some M badges on it. It's hard to tell. We'll know a little more when we get to the interior of the car. I think this is a legit M Sport, though. I do. She's got some damage. I mean, she's got a lot of damage right there. That wheel took a hard hit. It took a real hard hit. And looks like something's going on with the suspension there. I'm just saying. It looks like something gave out in the suspension right there. How's she look back here? Well, that don't look quite right to me either. What do you guys think? Nope. I'm gonna say that doesn't look quite right either. She's actually a pretty nice looking car though, aside from that. So it's rear wheel drive. See, this side looks right. You see how we got nice gaps there? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know why it would say this doesn't run. It does have some pretty considerable suspension damage over here. That much is guaranteed. But I don't see any reason why it wouldn't run unless it doesn't have keys. Nope, and it's got keys. It does. It does. This is a real M. It is. You got the M Sport on the steering wheel. You got the M Sport down there on the sill. You got the M Sport on the footrest. She's the real deal. Does she have power though? I'm just gonna say probably not. We might as well just save ourselves the trouble and go ahead and pop the hood now, because we're gonna be popping the hood here in a minute anyways. Come on. Oh, up you go. What is this? That's from a GM. Oh, that hood's gonna try to fall on me. That's already happened once today. That's, I don't know, man. What's going on there? General Motors? Hood prop, I guess. That'd be my guess. I guess somebody's just sitting that right there for a, there we go, for a hood prop. That's a great idea. That's an excellent idea. Let's grab the trusty old booster pack here. We'll go ahead and, oopsie. We'll go ahead and find us a good jump point here and get this bad boy going. I think it'll run. I do. There's no reason this thing wouldn't run. Not that I can see anyway. I mean, who knows what's going on underneath the vehicle, but I'm just throwing it out there. I think she's probably all right. All right. Looks like we got some voltages going through there. 12.2 volts. She's feeding her. Oh, wow. Yeah, that right there, that's a problem. Yeah. Okay. See, at first I was like, well, why is it totaled, man? It doesn't seem like it's that bad. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. You ain't fixing that. All right, where's the silly little key slot? Or do we not have one anymore? These things confuse me. Oh. There should be a slot for this here somewhere. Maybe not. I guess they quit putting the slots in by 2011. My 08 has one. Yeah, no power, none. Nothing. Okay. Wow, I can take a hint. Yep, I just smacked my camera into the door. That's fine. Huh. Well, we're feeding her the juice, guys. And she ain't taking it. Something's got to be cut somewhere, so better just go ahead and disconnect that now. Huh. That sucks. I thought for sure we were gonna, I just knew it. I knew that this one was gonna run, guys. I still don't see any reason why it wouldn't, but now I at least understand why it's salvaged. I was like, that's not that bad. You know, you fix some suspension components, replace a couple wheels and tires, put her back on the road. Nope. No, not when something went through up here. That's no good. No good. So unfortunately, we'll leave the GM hood holder up under there, and we're done. I had to improvise a little bit today, guys. Two of the cars I was looking for, they're not where they're supposed to be. They're not here. So I had to find 2 other cars. And when you're only doing 3 cars in a video, missing 2 of them is a serious problem. It's a real problem. So I kind of just improvised, guys. I hope it was still somewhat enjoyable. I do apologize. Cars around here they're all over the place, man. I'd almost bet you money, though, when I get a row or 2 down, I'll bet I find the cars that were missing somewhere else. But, you know, at that point, it's too late. Guys, stay safe out there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you did. Thumbs down if it sucked, and I don't blame you. It probably sucked. Comment below, and I will catch you all very soon in the next one.